Hello guys, I will be teaching you how to get the cheese wheel in uh, uh, in Shadowbiz RPG. Okay. Yeah, the first thing you gotta do is go to the depths and then go into straight down right here and then go to that green portal. And then you wanna go here. And then you wanna go. Action mode. and next, kill this guy called Greatest Corn of Metal. To kill him, you must use weapon, so you have long range, and then you need 2 chaos for mage to craft it. And then you wanna go on the hub of rebirth. And then you wanna go here. And then you wanna go there. Kailangan mo ng 2 chaos for mage. Kailangan mo na ng 2 chaos for, you need chaos for mage and
Up mo yung bakal, wait lang.
you will get the cheese wheel.
Yes? That's it? It's done?
Yeah, it's done. Yun na.
Thank you.